Listen to me. You're making money, but you're still broke. Revenue comes in on Monday, but by Thursday, it's gone. And you can't figure out where it went. That's not a money problem. That's a cash flow problem. And here's what nobody is telling you. Your business wasn't built to pay you. It was built to survive, to serve clients, to keep the lights on. But it was never designed to put cash in your pocket. And if that hit you in your chest, good, because it should. Because we're walking into 2026, a whole nother year, and you're still lying to yourself. You're repeating the same patterns. You're running the same cycles. You're praying for a different outcome, but you're using the exact same behavior. This is the video where that's going to stop. Because I'm going to show you exactly why your business keeps starving you and the one system that you can fix it faster than you think. This is why I wrote Built to Pay You. Listen, nobody gave us a blueprint. Nobody taught us structure. Nobody explained to us how to build a business that actually pays us. But that's going to change today. I totally understand that you're not confused. I even understand that you're motivated. And I know that you're not bad at business. You're just tired. And I get it. I've been there. You're tired of working this hard, seeing money come in. And also, at the end of the week, you got nothing to show for it, right? You got the skills. You got a calling. You got a desire. All of that. I understand. But none of that pays the bills if your business ain't producing cash flow on purpose. And the part that hurts the most is every time you think you're finally ahead, life takes the lead again. Here's what you don't want to hear. You can't live in constant reaction, constant panic, constant firefighting. If you don't get paid on purpose, you will spend the rest of your entire life playing financial defense. You'll take on clients you should have said no to. You'll underprice your value. You'll make decisions from desperation instead of clarity. And one day you're going to look up and realize that your team got paid, your bills got paid, your subscriptions got paid, the IRS got paid, but you be the one that won't get paid. And that's why hustle ain't enough anymore, because you need a system, and P.A.I.D is that system. P.A.I.D, 4 simple letters that will get you paid. I'm going to break it down. Now, you're currently running your business with no weekly financial target. Like, you're busy, but you ain't got no aim. You think effort creates income, but it doesn't. Direction does. Imagine starting a week knowing that you need 3,000, 2 clients, or 5 sales. Picking your destination means choosing that number first. When you do that, it's stewardship, it's order, it's clarity. Because listen, when you know what the target is, your actions finally have purpose. And that's why I opened chapter 6 in my book with the exact step. So the first step is to pick your destination. Got it? Now, after you pick your destination, you got another issue. When it comes to making more money, you're begging for new opportunities while ignoring the ones you're already sitting on. You may even think that you need something new. You just need to recognize the value that you already carry. Now, imagine seeing the things that you've been blind to. Past clients, past content you've created, past results you help others get, past connections, and maybe even past skills that you developed. I want you to remember this point. Assessment means inventory, which means you can't multiply what you refuse to count. So step 2 is to assess what you already have, because money hides in what you overlook. So now you have a destination that you have assets that you can use, but you realize you're still struggling because your past offers have either been unclear, too big, too slow, or just not something that people want right now. And what you've done is it got you thinking that you need to build something brand new. And I get it. I've been there myself, right? But consider this for a moment. What if you had one offer that people can understand instantly? Like something that they can sell this week, or you can sell this week, right? Listen, what you want is a profitable offer that is simple, fast for you to deliver, valuable to your customer, and it solves a painful problem that they have. And that's why step 3 is identify a profitable offer. This is the backbone of cash flow. And that's why the book walks you through building a fast, profitable offer step by step. Now, even with a destination picked, your talent, success, and that profitable offer, you can still miss the boat. Because if you sell to the wrong people, you will not have any sales. You may think putting flyers up on social media is delivery, but it's not. Delivery has to be direct. And that's why the final step is to deliver it to the right people. This is where you take your offer straight to the people who already need it. So instead of trying to kill yourself with endless ads, your social media is now targeted to the right folks. Watch what happens when you get it right. Your DMs, your calls, your emails, your appointments, all of that stuff will blow up on your calendar. This is where money moves. This is clarity. And those sales will increase your confidence. This is why chapter 6 teaches you exactly how to deliver with precision. Now, imagine this, walk with me. You start the week with direction now. You take inventory of your talents with confidence. You sell one profitable offer with clarity, just one. You deliver it to the people who actually want it. And for the first time, your business pays you. Not just your bills, not just your team, but you. That's what P.A.I.D makes possible, P.A.I.D. And that's exactly why I wrote Built to Pay You, right? Now, you're at a crossroads right now. You can either keep doing what you've been doing and getting what you've always been getting, or you can decide to run your business like someone who's done lying to themselves. Nobody can choose this for you. Not your spouse, not your friends, not your followers, you. Only you can make this choice. And I want you to lean in and listen to me right now. This is the moment where everything shifts. And let me be real with you. You're not going to fix this by watching another YouTube video. You can try. You can try even going to ChatGPT to ask for 5 steps to success. But don't get mad when it gives you the same old generic information that you've already tried. Raise prices, cut expenses, save, blah, 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 right? You don't need more information. What you need is a system, a blueprint, a structure, a weekly rhythm that creates cash flow on purpose. That system is in the book. Built to Pay You exists because nobody taught us this. Now, if you decide to click off and say, you know what, I'm going to think about it, then you're going to go back and do what you always do, right? Delay, distract, repeat the cycle, and then get mad after Christmas when your bank account is dry and you face no returns. So let's just stop there right now. Here's what you can do. Click on the link in the description, grab a copy of Built to Pay You, and start applying P.A.I.D this week. Not later, not eventually, right now. The link is right there. Click it, get the book, build the system. Because when you start applying P.A.I.D, your business will shift from chaos to clarity, from starving you to paying you. Your business is supposed to pay you because we didn't work this hard to stay broke. So let's just build it that way.